Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create an afro highlife type of beats on FL Studio 2021. If you are new here, subscribe, click on the subscribe button, then click on the bell to get notified anytime I drop video. I'm Vich, your music coach. The type of beat you are going to create is a beat like this. So, first thing first, I started getting my BPM at 120 beats per minute. So you need to get your BPM. Then second thing, it was this drum pattern, it was this drum loop which I got. Listen to the drum loop. Wait. Yeah, that is the drum loop I got. Then second thing, I added this xylophone sound. I added it. This is it. I added it. So this is how it sounds. This is how it sounds. If you are a Nigerian movie lover, you know the sound. So daily I added this bass. I added two bass, but I added this one. This is how it is. Then thirdly or fourthly, sorry, I added I added this choir effect. I added this choir effect for it to help guide that my face xylophone sound. So this is how it sounds. So with the xylophone and the main chord and the bass, this is how it sounds. So that is how it sounds. Then I added this guitar. This is a very simple guitar to play. It was just very simple. I added it. This is how it sounds. Mm, we don't want it to be more stuffy. We just want it to be good. So I added this sound on my chorus, and this is how the sound it is. Nothing was just that thing, and it makes a whole lot of difference in the chorus. Then I added this chord. So when I added the chord, this is the chord. That is just the chord. Nothing. Then I added the second bass. The second bass line, I added it, and these are the bass line sounds. All the sounds stop plugging out. I took it from morphing, so I added it. These are the sounds. So after adding the bass, there was nothing left for me to just do, only only for me to add my tag low sheet.
Loshi.
So now let me break down all these, where I took all these samples from. You can see here is an FL Studio Store plugin. I took it from Morphine plugged FL keys. Then I added all these. Is an FL Studio Store plugin. None of this is outside FL Studio Store plugin. So you can do this yourself. If you need the beat, DM me. I give you the full beat. Send me an email through my bio. I will add my email and my WhatsApp number in my bio. Send me an email or you DM me. Let's go. Let's lock in. This is how the full beat is. With this, let me first of all, okay, play here, then come to play here. Okay, okay, this is a full place. So let me start from here. Sorry, permit me to start from there. So that you can hear. Okay, start from the beginning. Let's start from the beginning. Okay, listen.
Loshi.
So with this, I hope be able to break down how to make a simple afro highlife or gyration to you guys. So in my next video, I'll be breaking it down to get this particular drum kit. Is available in my presets. If you need it, just give me a DM. I'm very happy to be your music coach. You already know Nandi Boy Vich.